Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, I will show you how you can use Titan Loader to import records into Salesforce en masse from CSV files. This can be useful if you want to allow your clients to upload CSV files full of records and add those records into Salesforce. So, over here in Titan Flow, I'm going to set up two variables. The first one is going to be a file variable, and this is going to be our input CSV. And I want to add a static variable for our error log. Next, I'm going to add the Titan Loader node. And for a second, I will show you the structure of my CSV file. So over here, I have 100 contacts, and I have their first name, last name, email, and phone number. So over in Titan Loader, we want to select contacts for our object because we're creating contacts. For a file, of course, we're going to select our input CSV file. I'm going to ignore headers because I have headers in my file. And I'm going to set record per batch to 100 because I have exactly 100 records. Now under map error 2, I'm going to select our variable. And over here, we can start setting up our fields. So I have first name, last name, email, and phone number. And they're in exactly that order. So I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's hit next. We can give this a name. Now, once we're done, I want to send an email to myself. I'm going to call this Titan Loader errors. And in here, I'm going to place our error log. So we can hit apply and select this. And I want to run this both after finish and on cancel. If we now save and publish our flow, we can head over to a web project I have set up where all I have is a file uploader and a button. And on click of the button, I want to call our flow. So I'm going to select our flow, and I'm going to configure parameters for input CSV. I'm going to select our file. So we can save and preview this project, and I'm going to select my CSV. Now, before I run this, let's just head over to Salesforce, where you can see I have 282 contacts at the moment. And let's call our flow. Now, if we head over to Salesforce and refresh, you'll see I have 382, 100 more. Now, I'm going to try uploading the same exact file again, and this time I should receive an email telling me that 100 failed because of duplicates. And we should in a moment receive an email with errors. So if we take a look here, you can see we have duplicates detected all over the place. And that's how it's done.